Inspiration comes in many forms. Drive-by beauty wherever it's found. The Harding Reserve H2O collection draws inspiration from weathered barns, antique oaks, and unique patterns in nature. Trending designs and timeless looks come together in this exquisite line of luxury vinyl plank. Available styles can match any desired vision. Crossbeams and clapboard, weathered over time from barnboard, were the inspiration behind the Talmadge collection, with its rustic and reclaimed visual in multiple color tones. Natural coloring from wood aging in place over time, coupled with sanded and exposed natural body of the wood beneath, create the beautiful old versus new visual of this collection. A great option for those wanting a distressed look, but without the reclaimed effect that often comes with it. The Holton collection has light sanding, exposing growth patterns and naturally distressed areas in the body of this oak for a visual with a large amount of character and contrast. Eye appeal is far from the only capturing characteristic. Its commitment to dimensional beauty is enhanced by outstanding waterproof construction. Liquid spills remain on the surface, unable to penetrate the floor below. It allows moisture to remain where it can be easily cleaned, providing protection for the structure of the boards and the subfloor. The groundbreaking waterproof technology empowers this versatile flooring to elevate rooms that are prone to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms, as well as any other space in the home. Its sturdy design makes it friendly for little ones and little furry ones. Harding Reserve H2O luxury vinyl plank is kid-friendly and pet-friendly. It protects against scratches, stains, and everyday life. The construction also offers warmth underfoot, sound absorption, and non-slip safety. Harding Reserve H2O luxury vinyl plank. Waterproof, kid-proof, pet-proof. Flooring for real life, inspired by nature.